The Dialysis Clearance Urea interactive calculator helps you determine key parameters for optimizing hemodialysis treatment efficiency. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can choose Calculate Clearance K, Calculate KTV ratio, Calculate Urea Reduction Ratio URR, Calculate Post-Dialysis BUN, Calculate Required Session Time, or Calculate Standardized KTV weekly. For this demonstration, we're using Calculate Clearance. Enter your blood flow rate in milliliters per minute, dialysate flow rate in milliliters per minute, pre-dialysis BUN in milligrams per deciliter, post-dialysis BUN in milligrams per deciliter, session time in hours, urea distribution volume in liters, clearance K in milliliters per minute, target KTV sessions per week, and target URR as a percentage. For our example, we'll input blood flow rate 300, dialysate flow rate 500, pre-dialysis BUN 65, post-dialysis BUN 22, session time 4.0, urea distribution volume 40, clearance K 220, target KTV 1.4, sessions per week 3, and target URR 70. After clicking Calculate, the results show clearance K equals 198.5 milliliters per minute with an adequacy status of below target clearance. This indicates the dialysis clearance is insufficient compared to our target of 220 milliliters per minute. This calculator streamlines dialysis parameter optimization for better patient outcomes. Find the link in the description below.